Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome to another edition of our Crypto Layer 1 Layer 2 newsletter, where we dive deep into the dynamic world of digital currencies. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, we are here to guide you through the twists and turns of the blockchain universe. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Market overview. The cryptocurrency market is currently seeing mixed movements, with Ethereum experiencing a slight decrease in price over the last 24 hours, while Solana has seen a more significant drop. Ethereum maintains a strong market cap, indicating its dominant position in the market. Solana, despite recent declines, has shown remarkable growth over the past month. The market is reacting to new financial products like the short Ethereum ETF by ProShares and the listing of new altcoins on future exchanges, which may affect the volatility and trading strategies in the space. Additionally, the integration of cryptocurrencies with NFTs and the potential for new purchasing methods is a key discussion point, reflecting the evolving nature of the market. Ethereum price predictions as ETH hits 3-month high. Time to buy? ETH has been on a bit of a roller coaster, dropping by 2% in the last 24 hours to $1,792. This dip comes amid the broader market reaction to some pretty heavy news. Sam Bankman-Fried's conviction for fraud. Despite this, ETH is still hovering near a 3-month high, having risen by 11% in a fortnight and by 9% in a month. The technical indicators are giving us some mixed signals. The Relative Strength Index RSI has cooled off from over 70 to nearly 60, hinting at a decrease in buying pressure. But don't let that dampen your spirits just yet. The 30-day average is inching closer to the 200-day average, and if these two lines cross, we could be looking at a breakout moment for ETH. The support levels are also climbing, suggesting that this dip might just be a small bump in the road. The recent news of Bankman-Fried's conviction has shaken investor confidence a bit, but Ethereum's fundamentals are still as solid as ever. With its dominant position in the DeFi sector, recent adoption news, and deflationary tokenomics, ETH has been net deflationary since the merge. That's right, more ETH is being burned than issued. So, what's the forecast? Ethereum's price could very well bounce back to $1,800 in the coming weeks. And who knows, maybe even hit $1,900 or $2,000 by the end of the year. And if 2024 brings us Bitcoin ETF approvals, we might just see ETH take off to new heights. Solana's rally marshaled by buyers from Coinbase, data shows. In the last couple of weeks, Solana's token has seen a whopping 50% rally, and guess who's leading the charge? Coinbase, the Nasdaq-listed digital assets exchange, is showing some serious bullish behavior for Solana, according to data from Paris-based Kaiko. Since October 25th, Solana's cumulative volume delta (CVD) on Coinbase has jumped by nearly 1 million, signaling strong capital inflows. This metric measures the net difference between buying and selling volumes, and right now is screaming buyer's paradise on Coinbase. However, it's not just Coinbase. Binance and Kraken are also showing positive vibes early this week. However, on the South Korean exchange Upbit, the mood is a bit different, with a negative trend for 2 weeks. Here's where it gets interesting. The median order size on Coinbase has been notably larger than on other exchanges. This could mean that big players, possibly institutions, are placing their bets on SOL through Coinbase. Adding to the excitement, Van Eck, a heavyweight in the institutional asset management arena, has released a report with a bullish scenario for SOL, talking about a potential future where Solana becomes the go-to blockchain for applications with over 100 million users, which could see SOL's price to a dizzying 3,200 by 2030. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Despite the price rally, on-chain activity hasn't quite caught up. The total value locked in Solana-based DeFi protocols has actually dipped to its lowest since April 2021. And while there's been a slight uptick in decentralized exchange volume and active addresses, it's not quite in line with the price gains. So, what's the verdict? Solana's price is definitely on the move, but whether this is sustainable without the on-chain activity to back it up remains to be seen. Will the buyers keep marching in, or is this rally more of a flash in the pan? Stay tuned to find out. SocialFi app Stars Arena dispels coordinated FUD after patching noob vulnerability. Let's dive into the latest drama from the decentralized social media space, where Stars Arena, a social finance platform built on Avalanche, has been making some noise. Stars Arena recently faced what they called coordinated FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, after a vulnerability was discovered in their system. This fault allowed some crafty hackers to make off with about $2,000. But before you think it's all doom and gloom, the Stars Arena team has already patched up the issue. They took to Twitter with a battle cry, declaring "We are at war" against malicious actors trying to steal from the community. The exploit was a bit of a facepalm moment, with a Twitter user pointing out that the platform's noob devs had left a gaping hole in their price function. This allowed the attackers to sell zero user tickets for Avalanche tokens, essentially getting them for free. But here's the kicker. The exploit turned out to be a bit of a dud for the attackers. The surge in gas fees on Avalanche meant that the hackers spent more on transaction fees than what they stole. For every 4 cents they gained, they shelled out 25 cents. Talk about a bad investment. Despite the hiccup, the crypto community was quick to throw shade at Stars Arena, with some suggesting they should pack up their show. But it's not curtains yet for Stars Arena. They are part of a growing list of social finance platforms that are trying to make a splash in the crypto world. So, what's next for Stars Arena? Will they be able to shake off the FUD and rise to the top? Or will this vulnerability scam be a tough lesson in crypto security? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the decentralized social media scene is never short on excitement. New NFT Launchpad set to redefine digital art on Aptos. There's some exciting news for the digital art world on the Aptos blockchain. Mercato, known as the most comprehensive NFT marketplace on Aptos, has just launched a no-code NFT launchpad that's set to revolutionize how digital art is created and shared. This innovative platform is designed to make it super easy for artists to mint and launch their NFTs without needing to understand complex smart contracts. It's all about focusing on creativity without the technical barriers. Mercato isn't new to the game. They started as a launchpad back in 2021 and have since hosted 48 mints, generating over 1 million in sales. They're all about empowering artists, and they're offering this new tool at no cost to the creators. That's right, zero fees to get your digital masterpieces out into the world. Beyond the launchpad, Mercato offers a suite of tools for the NFT market, including portfolio tracking, floor sweeping, and an advanced trader view. It's a holistic platform that caters to both creators and traders, aiming to elevate the NFT experience. Aptos itself is a next-gen Layer 1 blockchain, boasting breakthrough technology and a programming language called Move, designed to evolve and improve performance while strengthening user safeguards. So, what does this mean for the future of digital art on Aptos? It's looking bright, with seamless tools for creation and a community-focused marketplace. The art world is about to get a whole lot more innovative thanks to Mercato's no-code NFT launchpad. Remember to follow our newsletter if you are enjoying our content, and do spread the joy, as the first 10 members who get 10 referrals will receive a free Bitcoin Millionaire mug. The first 5,000 people to subscribe to our free newsletter will also receive limited edition NFTs that will provide free lifetime access to our members area and newsletter when we create premium features. Get your friends and family on board before it's too late. The NFTs will begin distribution once the newsletter hits 5,000 members. Until next time, Crypto Explorers. As we wrap up this edition, we want to thank you for being an integral part of our community. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is as vast as it is thrilling, and we are honored to be your compass in this digital frontier. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay awesome. See you in the next edition. Keep hodling and shining.